Hey everyone, and welcome to my Bitpanda crypto payment app review. Check the description below for links. Today, we'll explore Bitpanda's features, who it's for, and how it handles crypto payments. Bitpanda is a popular exchange and payment app making crypto accessible to everyone. Its user-friendly interface works for both beginners and experienced users. Buy, sell, and store over 50 cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, with low fees and fast transactions. Bitpanda's payment solutions let you pay directly with crypto for seamless transactions. The Bitpanda Visa card lets you spend your crypto at millions of locations worldwide, integrating digital assets into your everyday purchases just like a regular debit card. For long-term investors, Bitpanda offers portfolio management tools and crypto savings plans, automating investments and building wealth over time. Buy crypto with traditional payment methods like bank transfers or credit cards. Security is a priority. Bitpanda uses two-factor authentication and cold storage, ensuring your crypto's safety. In short, Bitpanda is an excellent crypto payment app for buying, selling, and spending digital currency. Whether you're an investor or want to use crypto daily, Bitpanda's robust features, ease of use, and security make it a top choice.